So now we'll discuss how to take the first stitch, simple stitch. And the first step is how to handle the needle holder, okay? So that's what we call a needle holder. A lot of the surgical instruments looks like this, okay? So there are two eyes or whatever, two openings here, okay? That you use to put your fingers in them, okay? You can choose whatever you want. You can put these two fingers here. If you put these two fingers here, okay, you can see how you are controlling the needle holder. If you did that, you're controlling a little bit better, isn't it? Okay? Mm-hmm. Well, if you did that, that's the maximum control. Okay? Again, the other thing I would say, tips. If you did that, you will injure your nerves here in your fingers and you're not going to control very well. If you hold the needle holder with the tips, that's the best way of holding a needle holder, with the tips of your finger, okay? I'll just describe this again. So you put the tip of your thumb, okay, in one eye, in one opening. You put the index finger to control the axis of the needle holder. You put the middle finger here in this junction and the ring finger here, okay? So that's the basic hold of a needle holder. Or even a scissors or a clip or anything, you hold it like this, okay? So let's practice it.